Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to add virtual backgrounds in the program Zoom. Now for demonstration purposes we're going to be using a MacBook Pro. Now if you have a Windows PC you can still use Zoom. So the first thing we need to do is download the program to our computers. So if you don't have the program, go ahead and take the time right now and download it. Now while they're downloading it, I want to share one thing with you guys and let you know that there are some system requirements for your computer to be able to run Zoom properly. The first is you need to be running a 2.5 gigahertz dual core Intel Core i5 and higher desktop CPU, and that's with a single screen, or running 2.8 gigahertz quad core Intel Core i7 and higher desktop CPU, and that's if you have a dual or triple screen, and use dual bank RAM for better performance. So hopefully you guys have downloaded the program, and if you have it downloaded, go ahead and click on the icon to load it up. And so go ahead and sign in to the program real quick, either by email or Google or Facebook. And go ahead and sign in. Once you sign in, it will take you to this screen here. And so first thing we want to do, and also let me bring this up real quick before we get started. Generally, when you're using virtual backgrounds, you normally will use a green screen, and a green screen will make it perfect. But if your computer meets these requirements, you can be able to run it without the green screen. But you don't want to do a lot of moving around because you don't want the screen to distort because you don't have a green screen. But with this program, you can get away with not having a green screen and be able to use virtual backgrounds. So the first thing we need to do real quick, go ahead and click on where it says New Meeting, and that will activate your camera and get you going on Zoom. As you can see, my background isn't that appealing. I have a couple of printers back here, a hat rack here. So it doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look that good. So that's one reason why we want to get some virtual backgrounds to make our video look more appealing, crisper, and more professional. So the first thing we want to do is I want to take you down to the bottom of the screen. You'll see your name down here, and you'll see an icon of a mic that says muted and an icon of a camera. Go ahead and click on that arrow right there, and you'll get a drop down menu and it will say choose virtual backgrounds. Go ahead and click on that. And so it'll take you to the settings of Zoom. Now Zoom has some virtual backgrounds already built into the program. Right now we're using none, so you can see it's of my office space here. But we're going to go ahead and click on this bridge here, double click, and as you can see it changed the background. And if you want to take a better look at it, go ahead and exit out of the settings screen. And so that looks pretty good. It's a setting of, background of, I believe that's the San Francisco Bridge. So let's go ahead and change it up. Go back to that video camera there, hit the arrow, and then go to choose virtual backgrounds. Now we're going to go all the way to the end and choose this one that says Earth. Double click it, and then exit out of your settings. And now you got a bigger picture on how you would look if you use this virtual background. Now these are okay, but we want to choose some that are, nicer, something that appeal more to us. And so what we want to do right now is go back over here and we're going to hit stop on the camera. And when we hit stop, you'll see it'll put our name up on the screen. Now this is pretty good when you stop the video recording. Say for instance the meeting is going and it's gotten kind of long, you need to step away to get something to drink. You can hit stop video. Now this won't affect the whole Zoom meeting going on, but it will prevent them seeing you, and you really don't want them seeing you standing up and walking away. So you can put that up real quick and be able to dash away and do what you need to do. In a video to come, we want to show you how to put a thumbnail here, a picture of yourself, that would make it look a little nicer instead of just your name and a black icon. And so to get some other virtual backgrounds for our Zoom, what you can do is go to some of these various clip art sites such as 123rf.com, or go to like istockphoto.com, or to shutterstock.com. Now what I've done is gone to shutterstock.com and I picked up some images I want to share with you guys. But I want to show you that Shutterstock has a special going on right now. And I am not getting anything from this. I just want to share it with you so you can be able to get you some images real quick that you can use for your Zoom backgrounds. So Shutterstock right now has a promotion going on to where if you register with them, you can get 1 month free. And in that 1 month, you can download up to 10 images for free. And so I think that's a great deal. Now, after that 30 days, to download 10 images, they'll put you on that annual plan, and it will cost you $29 a month to download 10 images. And that's about $2.90 per image. So you guys jump in there real quick, take advantage of this promotion, and get you some images for your Zoom. So we're going to exit out of that real quick, and we're going to come back down to our video, and we're going to tap on it to turn it back on. And as you can see, we still have the backdrop of space, or backdrop of the earth. Go ahead and click on your arrow, and this time what we're going to do is show you how to load some of the images that you have picked up. And now we're back to the settings of Zoom, and of course you can see the three background images that are already in the program. If you go back over to where the earth is, and just above it there's a plus sign, click on that, then click on add image. You'll get you get the opportunity to be able to browse your hard drive to be able to pick up or be able to load images that you've gotten. And so we're going to go with this image real quick, double click on that, and now as you can see we have an office background. Go ahead and exit out of the settings there to get a better look at that. Now that looks really nice. That's a very nice setting to be able to do your meeting with. And as you can see, it's an office that's mostly white with black chairs, and you can see the PCs on the desk. So let's check out another image that I downloaded. Go back over to the camera, hit the arrow, choose virtual backgrounds, and if you notice now in the settings that office icon that we chose is now in the program, that saved it to the program, and so that's really cool. Now go back over to the plus sign, hit it, and hit add image. And then we're going to go with this one this time. Change the background. Go ahead and exit out of the settings. And that's pretty nice too. That's a really nice office setting. And so, you know, when you get to choose your own background, you can definitely pick up something that will appeal or look better to you. Now let's change it one more time. This time we're going to go with something that makes us look like we're at home. Choose virtual backgrounds. Go over and hit the plus button, hit add image, and I got an image here of being at a home, not really my home. X there to come out of the settings, and that looks pretty good too. Nice backdrop of showing that you're at home. Looks nice and crisp and very professional. So there's a lot that you can do with this, and it looks very nice. So that's about it for our video for today, how to add virtual backgrounds in Zoom. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button, and be sure to hit the bell icon so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.